All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. So different. 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 Something not like the others. Yeah, it is not like the others. These pencils are different. They have a different colour. I wear a different shirt. Yeah. Something more unique and outlandish. Yeah, just different and strange. Not like everything else. Not like everything else. Yeah, just different. I read different books to get more ideas and inspiration. Those were very different times. More unique than today. Yeah, how cool is that? So this is a different flavour. This cake is a very different flavour. This is a different flavour now. Yeah. I didn't expect it to be so different. Wow. Yeah. These are the different coats I told you about. Yeah. I'm looking at the different ties. They are all very colourful. Different ties, different suspenders, different kinds of suspenders. I have different kinds of suspenders. Yeah. How cool is that? Yes. Very good. Yeah. Suspenders. How cool is that? So I am different. Yeah. So I like to be different and stand out. Be my own person. Very important. He is different from the other teachers. She is not different from her family. Yeah, not different. The same. They all have different ideas and priorities. Yeah. It is a different machine than last time. Yeah. It's a different machine now. Yeah. Very good. It's something different. Different food from last time. We are doing something different this time. Yeah. Because it looks fun. How cool is that? Those were different choices. Oh, okay. This is wrong. This is different. Yeah, that was a different choice. We went a different way last time. Very good. Yeah, so she is working in a different industry. Yeah, I used to work in a different industry. Yeah, different industry. So education, but it used to be different, something else. How cool is that? He wants to go on a different journey. I want to go to a different country. He will go to a different continent. Yeah, Europe, Africa, America, Asia, Australasia. Different continent. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So different. Something not like the others. These pencils are all different. And I wear a different shirt. Those were different times. Something unique and outlandish. He's very different compared to everyone else. is just different. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use different in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below and like the video? And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.